Before we start our laboratory, we need to know about safety purposes while handling this experiment. First and foremost, we need to put out all the accessories on your body. For an example, watch and lanyard. And do not forget about the ring. This is prevent to avoid the machine good being stuck in the machine while handling this experiment. Make sure the clothes was zipped neatly. After we done with the safety purpose to operate the machine, we have a few steps before handling this machine. For number 1, switch on the machine plug with 3-phase supply, and for number 2, switch on the machine, and then for number 3, put number 1 on the machine, and then adjust the speed controller that what we want. This is one of an example that manual transmission machine that operates with 5 gear. By doing this experiment, we can see how the manual transmission was operating in the vehicle, especially when the vehicle is running on the road. So we can see the one by one how the gear was changed, and then we can discover all the components that functioning in the gearbox. Usually there is a type of variety that has been created for the vehicle use. For example, 5 transmission, 6 transmission, 7 transmission, and others. This is an example that how the gear was changing. This is how the demonstrating of the experiment was happened.
Pertama sekali buka power on, tengok ada lampu ada menyala. Lepas tu buka ni, tu switch on lah. And then tengok dia dalam dia ada neutral. Lepas tu yang ni untuk dapatkan speed RPM, untuk pusingkan wheel speed atau flywheel. So adalah 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 sampai 100 ke high. So pusingkan dekat high. So flywheel kan pusing 100.
By using a tachometer, we can know the RPM of the shaft rotating, and then this example for gear 1. This is the shaft rotating of gear 2 that around 21 and 22 km/h, and then for gear 3 around 23 and 26 km/h. For gear 4, we can get around 48 50 km/h. For gear 5, around 55 to 60 km/h. And then last but not least, reverse gear around 11 km/h or until 13 km/h.